Hi guys, so today we're gonna make the perfect balanced sandwich. I'm gonna show you how I do it so you can do it yourself. It's so good. So I have this bread here, the Sprouted Diabetic Lifestyle Organic Sprouted Wheat Bread. I am not diabetic, but I do recommend it. It's really good and it's very healthy. Okay, so we have 2 slices of bread here. Now we're gonna add the spread. If you wanna make a thicker spread, these ones metal work better. Mayonnaise, light, Hellmann's, my favorite, really good. Always go light, just a little bit. And this one, and this side, take a little more. Try to be as even as you can. You wanna remember, we're trying to make the perfect balanced sandwich. We're gonna do the same thing on the other side. You see? Beautiful. We're gonna add the main ingredients. Chicken, deli fresh, Oscar Mayer, really fresh. Let's put 2 slices like that. Another one, perfectly balanced. So if you put 2 here, you're gonna put 2 here. 1 and 2. It's starting to look balanced. We're gonna add the secondary ingredients. We have some cheese, cheddar cheese, naturally good, kosher. I am not Jewish, but I love the mentality of having less food. Then we have some chorizo, a little spicy too. Here is my secret. It's the yin-yang application. So what you're gonna do in one side, then you're gonna do the same thing on the other side, but reversed. Cheese here on one side, some chorizo, one, like that. You can put another one if you like a lot. And then on the other side, we're gonna do the same thing, but opposite. So you put the chorizo first, 2 and 3 blessed cheese on top. There you go. The toppings, kale. Smells so good. It's fresh. I just got it in the supermarket. Put a little here on the other side. I'm gonna try everything to be balanced. My secret, Pringles. 1 here, another one here, another one. You're gonna press it like this. Ah, I love that beautiful sound. And you see, if you do it correctly, nothing is gonna fall from the sandwich. You can put your hand on the side, like if you're making a wall, you know. To finish, we're gonna add some Natural Valley Dijon mustard as the condiment. Smells good too. That's okay. The same quantity you put on one side, you put on the other side. It's good. So now we're gonna fold it. This is the challenge. As close as possible. And you just close it like this, press down, and there you have it. Beautiful, powerful, everything is gonna be balanced. It doesn't matter which way you flip it, you're gonna get each flavor in each bite.